Magewell 100DUSB-HDMI capture dongle. The plug-and-play streaming game changer you didn't know you needed. Ever felt stuck wrestling with glitchy capture cards that freeze, lag, or refuse to play nice with your favorite streaming software? Frustration hits hard when you waste hours troubleshooting endless driver installs or compatibility headaches. That feeling of being totally blocked, your creative flow hijacked by unreliable gear, drains motivation and kills momentum. If you're tired of fumbling with finicky video capture devices that slow down your live streams or content production, it's time for a change. You deserve smooth, stress-free streaming without the tech drama. Now, picture those crushing deadlines and unrelenting pressure piling up. Your audience is waiting, the clock's ticking, and that laggy capture card threatens to derail everything. Stress mounts, burnout creeps in, and missed streaming opportunities pile up like unread messages. You want to focus on creating killer content, not babysitting unstable hardware. The pain of shaky broadcasts, pixelated video, and last-minute tech panic? Yeah, it's real, and it's wrecking your vibe. Time to stop the cycle and level up your streaming game for good. Meet the Magewell 100DUSB-HDMI, the sleek, powerhouse USB 3.0 capture dongle that transforms your streaming setup instantly. Supporting stunning HD video up to 2048 by 2160 at 120 frames per second, it handles everything from gaming streams to pro-level video capture with ease. Hardware scaling, de-interlacing, and format conversions happen on the fly, reducing CPU load so your PC stays chill. Plug-and-play magic means no driver hassles, just seamless integration with OBS, Zoom, VLC, and more. With 2-channel audio capture and a compact form factor, it's designed for pros who demand crystal-clear video quality, ultra-low latency, and rock-solid reliability across Windows, Mac, and Linux. Why are streamers and pros raving about the Magewell 100DUSB-HDMI? Because it delivers next-level performance wrapped in a tiny package. Imagine effortless workflows with automatic input detection and smooth frame rate conversion. No more fiddling with settings midstream. Users love the flawless plug-and-play experience, calling it holy grail capture hardware for live VJ setups and professional broadcasts alike. One reviewer praised how it reduces CPU load dramatically, while others highlight its unmatched compatibility across all major OSes and streaming platforms. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, Magewell's smart hardware keeps your streams buttery smooth, vibrant, and crystal clear. Ready to ditch the lag and focus on what matters? This dongle brings pro-grade tech into your hands. Don't wait until your next stream glitches out. Upgrade now and join thousands who've already unlocked flawless capture power with Magewell 100DUSB-HDMI. With limited stock moving fast, this is your chance to seize ultra-reliable, plug-and-play streaming hardware that won't quit on you. Whether you're a pro streamer, content creator, or video pro, secure yours today and elevate your video game like never before. Hit that buy now and start streaming the smooth, stable, high-def content your audience deserves. Trust us, you won't look back.